This stunning manicure design embodies all the beauty and grace of wild rose. Each nail is a work of art, where the delicacy of petals meets the wildness of nature. This manicure features an elegant and rich design. The nails are painted a deep, rich burgundy with a glossy sheen, giving them luxurious and stylish look. Sophisticated manicure combines the airiness of sky blue hue with the softness of pink, creating the illusion of spring sky adorned with flowers. It's definitely love. An elegant gray manicure with a thin layer of silver or glitter polish for a shimmery, sparkling effect. The nails are coated in dark polish, burgundy or wine with a glossy finish. The overall style of the manicure is elegant and modern, perfect for special occasions. This ombre manicure features subtle tones. The nails are covered in a gradient that transitions from a light pink or peach at the base to a darker shade at the tips. The varnish has a glossy surface, creating shining effect. A deep wine shade combined with the shimmering particles creates a luxurious manicure that will be the highlight of your look. The noble color with brownish and purple notes. This exquisite nail polish features deep burgundy tones with the brownish undertone. This noble color symbolizes luxury, sophistication, and self-confidence. The nails are coated with a light base coat, accented with petal or lace motifs in shades of beige and brown. A coffee and cream manicure is coziness and elegance, where delicate shades of coffee with milk are combined with warm cream tones. The manicure process. The nails are designed in delicate, natural style with an accent on the design at the tip. The nails are adorned with black spots, creating leopard print or abstract design. A multicolored manicure is a bold and creative choice for those who aren't afraid to experiment with shades. This design allows to combine several colors in one look, creating unique compositions. A manicure with a very stylish and modern design. The nails are coated with a glossy silver or metallic polish, creating a mirror-like effect. The nails are coated in dark polished wine with a glossy finish. The overall style of the manicure is elegant and modern. The manicure looks neat and stylish, perfect for warm days and summery vibe. Bright yellow leaf-shaped patterns create a fresh and sunny look. Potter manicure is a unique combination of magic and style, allowing to express love for the Harry Potter universe through nail design. This manicure is a great way to express your devotion to Harry Potter. The nails are decorated with delicate patterns of blueberries and green leaves, created with a fine brush. The manicure looks very elegant with natural motifs. The nails are coated with a light base color with a marble effect, creating a delicate texture. Small decorative elements in the form of gold and black fragments are applied to each nail. These show the process of applying cosmic design to nails. The design creates the illusion of depth and space. A bright, colorful and striking manicure with a strawberry effect. This design looks very stylish and modern. This manicure features a delicate gradient design. The nails are coated with a clear-based color, gradually transitioning into a pink. Gray manicure with lettering is a way to express your individuality while remaining elegant and stylish. The design looks elegant and futuristic. A clear glitter manicure is a sophisticated combination of shine, creating a light and airy effect. This manicure creates sophisticated contrast between the velvety matte finish and the glossy shine. A delicate manicure, simple and sophisticated. The heart adds style. This is innovative nail design that creates a crushed silk effect on the nail surface. This trend is especially relevant in the fall of 2025. This manicure will become a real decoration for your hands. French manicure is the peak of fashion. It remains one of the most popular nail designs. A burgundy manicure is the epitome of elegance and refined taste. This aristocratic shade is suitable for any season. A creamy light yellow manicure is the tenderness and sophistication. Blue cat eye manicure is stylish design that draws attention with its deep color. The nails are coated in a rich blue polish, creating starry sky effects. red manicure is a classic that always attracts attention and emphasizes elegance. This vibrant red manicure features a glossy finish that adds shine to the nails. A white manicure with voluminous flowers and beads looks elegant and sophisticated. Long almond-shaped nails coated in white polish, the design is adorned with floral elements. Here is a manicure featuring Baby Groot from the Marvel Universe. The design features a detailed mural depicting Groot with large eyes and distinctive smile. This manicure is perfect for fans of cartoons. Elegant manicure with a light blue fringe and voluminous elements. The base color of the nails is white, and the tips are gradient from light blue to deep blue, creating an ombre effect. This manicure features dedicated peach tones and a matte finish. The nails features an exquisite embossed leaf pattern adding originality. This manicure features French with long almond-shaped nails. The base color is natural pink that fades to white in the tips, creating an ombre effect. This design looks elegant and sophisticated. And this manicure features a rich blue hue with a cat eye effect. The nails feature a scaled print adding texture. This manicure is striking and eye-catching. It features a chameleon-style finish. Using mirror polish, you can see nails have a rich iridescent effect that changes depending on the lighting angle. This manicure features a marble design. You can see the nails are coated with a light pink base coat, topped with fine veins that mimic the texture of natural marble. And this is a sign what kind of manicure you should get.